Welcome to ByteFurther. Today's video will show you why your iPhone says iPhone unavailable or security lockout support.apple.com/iPhone/passcode after updating to iOS 16.4 or later versions. Then, you'll learn 3 easy fixes to unlock and bypass support.apple.com/iPhone/passcode screen, even when you forgot the passcode. At the end of this video, we'll answer some frequently asked questions about unlocking an unavailable iPhone showing the passcode support link without letting you enter a passcode to get in. If you find this video helpful to get into your locked device, please give it a like, and share it via Facebook, Twitter, Quora, and so on to help others in need. Now, let's start. First, why is iPhone stuck on iPhone unavailable/security lockout support.apple.com/iPhone/passcode screen? 1. Too many wrong passcode attempts. Usually, this support Apple.com iPhone passcode alert appears when you forgot the passcode and keep entering the lock code incorrectly for more than 5 times in a row. In the very beginning, you will see your unavailable iPhone also showing try again in 1 minute, 5 minutes, 15 minutes, 1 hour, 3 hours, or 8 hours. After 10 failed consecutive passcode attempts, you will only see the security lockout support.apple.com/iPhone/passcode screen. No timer is given anymore. 2. iOS 16.4 update bug. Some users see iPhone unavailable or security lockout support.apple.com/iPhone/passcode screen right after iOS 16.4. It no longer gives an option for you to enter a passcode for unlocking. Instead, it informs you to go through the link support.apple.com/iPhone/passcode for help. 3. Malfunctioning touchscreens. If you've recently replaced a screen, changed the battery, or other hardware repairs, your device is likely to randomly enter the passcode without human input and end up with support Apple.com iPhone passcode message. Alright, when your iPhone gets stuck on support.apple.com/iPhone/passcode screen, it means that it's security locked by Apple. If you still remember the passcode, you can enter the right lock screen code after the limit time passes to get out of iPhone unavailable support.apple.com/iPhone/passcode screen. If you've forgotten the password, or there's no option to enter a passcode, you'll have to completely delete everything and factory reset your phone. Next, we'll show you how to fix support.apple.com/iPhone/passcode iPhone unavailable/security lockout on iPhone with 3 solutions. All the fixes can be used no matter if you're locked out of passcode on unavailable iPhone 11, 12, 13, 14, or later versions. Solution 1. Erase iPhone without computer. When you see the iPhone unavailable support Apple.com iPhone passcode screen, you'll also see an emergency button on the left and an erase iPhone button on the right. Apple enables you to use it to get out of the passcode locked device without passcode and computer. You just need to enter Apple ID logged into your unavailable phone and password. Here's what you need to do. Tap the Erase iPhone button. In the following security lockout screen, tap Erase iPhone button again. Next, enter your Apple ID password and tap Go on the keyboard. The erase process will start a few seconds later. It'll take you around 10 to 15 minutes to finish the reset. Please wait patiently. Once done, your device will boot up to the Hello screen, without showing the iPhone unavailable support Apple.com iPhone passcode message. Set up your phone quickly and your device will go back to working order again. Solution 2. Wipe clean iPhone with iCloud. Another way to unlock security lockout support.apple.com/iPhone/passcode screen on iPhone is to log in iCloud.com and reset the phone with Find My option. Make sure that this method only works when the Find My option is enabled before your device is stuck on support.apple.com/iPhone/passcode iPhone unavailable or security lockout. Here's what you need to do. Go to iCloud.com and enter your Apple ID and password to log in. Input the verification code if you've turned on the 2-factor authentication. It'll be sent to your other iOS device that's logged in with the same Apple ID. Once entered the iCloud home page, click the Find iPhone icon from the bottom right corner. At the top of the opening page, open the All Devices drop-down menu. Choose the name of the iPhone that's showing security lockout support.apple.com/iPhone/passcode. In the pop-up dialog box, select the Erase button. Then, choose the Erase button again. If your device has connected to a Wi-Fi or cellular network, it'll soon erase your phone data and bring the phone back to its factory settings. When you see the hello screen, that means you bypass the support.apple.com/iPhone/passcode screen. Just quickly set it up and use the phone again. Solution 3. Reset iPhone with computer. If you've forgotten the Apple ID password, you'll need a computer and use iTunes or Finder to unlock iPhone stuck with support.apple.com/iPhone/passcode unavailable screen. Here's what you need to do. First, connect your device to the computer using a USB cable. Then, open iTunes if you're using a Windows computer or a Mac computer running macOS Mojave 10.14 or older versions. If you own a Mac with macOS Catalina 10.15 or later versions, open up the Finder app instead. Keep your phone connected to the computer and put your phone into recovery mode. In iPhone 11, 12, 13, 14, or newer versions, quickly press the volume up button, the volume down button, and then press and hold the side button. Don't release the button even when you see the Apple logo. Then, you'll see a black screen showing a computer and a USB cable. Release the button and your phone is in recovery mode. On iTunes or Finder screen, it should now display a window asking you to update or restore your phone. Choose the Restore button, and click Update and Restore button. Continue following the on-screen steps. iTunes or Finder will start downloading the latest iOS software firmware, and then install it into your passcode-locked iPhone to reset the phone. This may take a few hours, so just wait patiently. When your phone restarts to the hello screen, set it up as guided. Now, you can remove the support.apple.com/iPhone/passcode message and open the unavailable iPhone. Now, here comes ByteFurther's FAQ part. Question 1. Why don't I see the Erase iPhone button on iPhone Unavailable screen? The answer is that make sure you've inserted a SIM card in your phone. Then, press either volume buttons and power button to restart your phone. Now, you should see the Erase iPhone button. Question 2. How can unlock Security Lockout support.apple.com/iPhone/passcode on my iPhone without Erase iPhone button? The answer is that you can try Solution 2 to use iCloud or try Solution 3 to use computer to get out of an unavailable screen. Question 3. How to get into iPhone Security Lockout with the correct passcode? The answer is that if you still see the countdown timer, just wait for the time to pass and enter the passcode. Question 4. I forgot my iPhone passcode. How to bypass Security Lockout on iPhone without restore and data loss? The answer is that the only way to unlock Security Locked iPhone without passcode is to do a restore. After the restore, you can get back data from backups you've made before. That's all how to unlock iPhone Unavailable or Security Lockout support.apple.com/iPhone/passcode. Hope this video can help you bypass passcode locked iPhone Unavailable screen and make everything back in working order. Be sure to subscribe ByteFurther channel to learn more tech tips about iPhones, and click another video on the screen to keep watching.